The ability to sell directly to your customers is expanding at an exponential rate. How do you do it is the million-dollar question. Welcome to our channel, E-commerce Know-How, and in this video, we'll see how to evolve your e-commerce strategy. Phase 1. Unaware of need. At this point, awareness is the name of the game. Your buyer does not yet realize they require your product. Your top priority is to generate demand. Goal: increase the number of new visitors, returning visitors, and impressions. Wherever possible, increase conversions or sales. Business process: your marketing team is doing the majority of the work. Based on the results of previous initiatives, they are driving engagement initiatives that generate potential customer awareness. While your marketing team is doing these things, your product team should be helping to find and define more of your target market. Frequent communication is required. They are the most knowledgeable about the product and are most likely to represent your target market. Your marketers are skilled communicators. Join the dots. Phase 2. Needs recognition. You've raised awareness and sown a seed. This does not imply that your prospective buyers believe they are required to make a purchase at this time. You must now bring these brand-aware prospects to your website in order to educate or convert them. Goal: increase the number of new visitor sessions, return visitor sessions, and clicks. Wherever possible, increase conversions or sales. Phase 3. Information search. You've enticed visitors to your site and exposed them to the product you want them to buy, but buyers don't always realize they need your product. Your top priority is to generate demand through relevant and enticing content. Bring them across the finish line. This is the most important and detailed stage of the buyer's journey. Goal: increase the time spent on the page, the number of page views per session, the average session duration, the rate of email list growth, and the number of social shares. Reduce site bounce rates. Wherever possible, increase conversions and sales. This is where your in-store customer service team would come into play in the traditional brick-and-mortar world. In the digital age, your website must do the talking for you, and savvy customers will have a slew of questions. Marketing, web, product, and customer service must all play a part in this. Phase 4. Evaluation of options. If you didn't convert your traffic in the previous stage, the goal now is to stay top of mind. Do not let your brand and products become lost in the internet's abyss, alongside all of your competitors. Always be present. Goal: increase the number of returning visitor sessions, the email click-through rate, the email conversion rate, and the email list growth rate. Wherever possible, increase conversions or sales. Phase 5. Purchase decision. It's finally time to seal the deal. Remind your potential customers about all of the value propositions, benefits, and pain point solvers your product offers. Make it abundantly clear that they have no choice but to purchase your product. Goal: increase the number of return visitor sessions, email click-through rate, email conversion rate, email list growth rate, and conversions or sales. Almost every shopping cart platform allows you to send abandoned cart emails, which marketing should have done. This simple and standard practice does help bring potential buyers back to your site, but because it is so common, it is easily overlooked. As a result, businesses frequently rely solely on the hope that their visitors will return. Phase 6. Initial use of product. The most difficult part of this journey is over. The process of ensuring your new customer has a truly incredible end-to-end experience begins now. Goal: specific email open and click-through rates have increased. Phase 7. Purchase affirmation and support. Expand on the previous phase's customer experience. Ascertain that you have support systems in place to address your new customers' needs and issues on the platform of their choice. Don't make them work for money. Goal: increases in specific email open and click-through rates, service tickets by source, service tickets closed by owner, ticket volume over time, knowledge article views, and NPS over time. Phase 8. Achieve value for product. You now have satisfied customers. It's time to monetize them by converting them into your most ardent supporters. Goal: increase in social shares, mentions, likes and followers, as well as positive product reviews. Phase 9. Refer friends and repurchase. The journey resumes here, but it does not have to begin all over again. Have your customers sign up during the purchase decision stage. Goal: increase in social shares, mentions, likes, and followers, as well as positive product reviews. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What are your thoughts about this strategy? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.